on, sorry, you can do it now. So yeah, good. That's it. This is Sienna's first little, oh, now the other side, rowing trip on the canoe. Just keep more, just that side, more. No, the other side, remember it's the opposite way. So if you want to, you're literally turning around. Wait a minute. She turned around. So if you're doing that way, that's going to make us turn that way. Yeah, that's it. More, good. More, right from the front, very front, that's it. Good. That's it, more, that's it. Now the other side as well, so we can go straight now. Now you want to go straight, good. That's it. Look at me, Cece. Is it good fun? Huh? Yes. Let's have a little rest there. You can do some. Hold that. Pointing up. Do hold it nice and still though. Just left. You want to turn left. You don't want to go into that bush. No, just the left side, Sienna. Left, that's the left, yeah. 3 times, big ones. 1. Quick. 2. Good. We need to get past that bush. 3. Good. It's important you learn how to steer. Good. 3. Good. Now the other way. Good. Oh, they're fishing. Ooh, wait a minute. We hope we don't get caught with a...